Um, hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to sell a portion of a particular stock. This is something that I haven't done before, especially on Cowrywise. These are my holdings at the moment. As you can see, Briscoe is up 26%, and I own 20,000 shares of Briscoe. So what I want to do now is just sell some shares. I want to see what it would cost, how it would take, the process and everything. I know that Nigeria is under the T2 system, so it means if I sell now, I cannot withdraw my money till, the next 2 days, basically. But still, I want to go ahead and do that. So, first thing I want to do is go to holdings. Holdings is where you see your stocks and everything, how much of it you own, how it's doing, the average cost you spent buying it. I bought Briscoe when it was a penny stock, um, January 14th. That was like a week or two ago. So I bought it at 4 naira, 4.73 naira, and today the market price is currently around 5.98, almost 6 naira. So their earnings are coming. The earnings are going to be announced around, I think it's later this month in January. I'm not even sure anymore, but it's something you can quickly Google. What I want to do is reduce the shares from 20,000 to maybe like 15,000 or something. Again, I'm just selling small. This is for educational purposes. I just want to show you how to sell some parts of your shares. So we've gone to our holdings, we've gone to check. We can see here that this is the percentage we've made and everything. Then the next thing we want to look at is, um, of course, the liquidity rating. We want to see how liquid it is. As you can see, plenty people are waiting to buy, so then they rush the stock right now, obviously, because it just came off the penny. It's no longer a penny stock. Penny stock is 1 naira, or penny stock is 5 naira and below, but this is above 5 naira now. It's 5.98. So everything happening right now is a big deal. I'm not even supposed to be selling anything at the moment, but again, for educational purposes, I will. So what I want to sell for is 5.98 now, right? I could just go ahead now and sell for at the price of 5.98, sell some because there are people waiting to buy them. Go buy them, they'll buy it, But I'm not going to sell for 5.98. I will not do that. These are all people waiting to buy at market price. I will sell at 6.0. Why am I selling at 6.0? Because there are plenty of people waiting. There are plenty of people waiting. When you go to the liquidity, you can see there are people waiting, rushing it and everything. Because they are waiting, they are also checking this sell side to see who they sell, who won't sell. So because of that, I am going to sell for 6 naira. Just, more profit in a sense. It's all part of the trade. So, what's the number of shares I want to sell? Let's say 5,000. 5,000 shares will be like 29,000 naira at 5.98. But I'm going to edit this. Also, we are not in the sell section, we're in the buy section. So I'm going to move to sell. Good. It says I have 20 shares, I have 20,000 shares available. I want to sell 5,000. And then here, it's I'm going to edit this, set limit price, change it from 5.98 to 6. I want to sell for 6 naira. If anybody does not want to buy, they should leave it, you know, you know. So let's do 5,000. Um, I wish there was a way to calculate how much the cost and everything will be, but I'm hoping that will pop up. So when do I want to sell? I mean, how long is this limit sell going to last for? I would say good till the next 3 days, and then I will click on sell now. Again, we're selling 5,000 shares only. I'm just reducing my shares, and then I'm selling at 6 naira, and then there's the price here, estimated value here. So I'm going to click on sell now. Then we have the fees here. The fees for this sale is 663 naira. This is why you should also use limit buy and limit sell when you're doing these things. If you were selling at market price, the fees fee past this thing. It'll be way higher than this, so you don't want to do that. So I am going to hold on. Instead of good to 3 days, I'll say good till 1 week. So from now to the next 1 week, I want to sell for 6 naira, that kind of thing, 5,000 shares. So I'm going to click on sell now. I'm sure there'll be buyers and all. So total amount is like 30,000 naira, of course with the fees and everything. So I'm going to click on sell now. So what it does is it puts my order in the market, and people who want to buy can pretty much buy. So the order is pending now. We're waiting for who wants to buy at that amount. If we go back to liquidity, people are waiting to buy at 5.98. I do not want to sell for 5.98. So I'm going to wait, and that's it. That's pretty much it. As you can see, the trade volume is 3.5 million. Total trade volume is also huge, and this is basically for today, by the way. As you can see, January 23, excuse me, January 23. So, you know, uh, there is a huge volume with this, so I'm not going to deny myself of the fact that I can actually sell this thing ASAP. I just need to. What the heck? What did he say? What did he say? It failed. Your sale price was above the allowed limit. You can try. They are not letting me sell for higher. That's not fair. Oh boy. Okay, fine, fine. Let's go back. Go back to sell. Let's sell for 5,000. I've seen that error before, by the way. Let's go to 5,000 and then let's sell, at 5.98. So that error can come up sometimes, but before we sell again, let's look at the cost of selling. The fees are still 600. Okay, so the fees are not expensive. So I'm just going to click on sell now. And what it does is immediately it sells to people that are buying around that. And I think it's pending. So it sells to people that are buying around 5.98. These people. I think the order is successful. I don't see my, sell order here. So what I'm going to do is refresh this page now. Okay, it says the sale is completed. So as you can see, the sale is completed. So that's it. But if we go to stash, I don't think I can withdraw the money right now, can I? It says NG stock sale payout. Interesting. So, disclaimer, I have to let you guys know. When you sell a Nigerian stock, it takes 2 days to settle most of the time. But I don't know how, well, Cowrywise, I don't know how they handle liquidity and everything, but we will find out if we try to withdraw now. So let's try to. Says payout is processed. Cool. Let's try to withdraw the money then. So I am going to click on withdrawal up here. Withdraw. We have improved our fraud detection AML. AML is anti-money laundering process is to enhance the security of your funds. Withdrawals will now be processed after 24 hours. Haha. See, it takes around 1 to 2 days. You can only initiate one withdrawal at one time. So I'm going to click on continue. I want to see if they will let me withdraw. My CUDA is here. Good. I want to see if they will let me withdraw the money I just sold. So I would say 20. It was 29,000. So 29,000 naira. Agree. Then make. Wait, let's see the free breakdown. So they charge 25 naira as processing fee. Stamp duty is 50 naira. So make withdrawal request is asking me for my PIN. Now it says withdrawal request received. Your withdrawal is now awaiting review. Obviously, they're going to manually check and everything. So I might not receive the payment today. It might take another 1 or 2 days. So that's it. I have shown you guys how to sell your stock, and take profit. Well, in this case, take profit meaning selling some shares when you've made some money and then leaving the rest in the market and yada yada yada. So I hope this has helped you. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know if you have any questions for me. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I will see you around. Bye.